In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create and organize comprehensive IT knowledge-based articles. This process is a straightforward way of enhancing and streamlining the documentation in your IT department or personal projects. Let's dive in. First, we need to start by opening ChatGPT. Head over to chat.openai.com and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to sign up. Once you're logged in, initiate a new chat to get started on creating content. This will be your workspace for generating all your IT knowledge-based content. Now that you're set up, let's ask ChatGPT to create some knowledge-based articles. Simply type in a request for a specific article, such as asking for a step-by-step guide to fix common Wi-Fi connection issues. It's important to be clear and specific with your instructions, so ChatGPT can generate the most accurate and useful content. You might say something like, write a step-by-step IT knowledge-based article for fixing common Wi-Fi connection issues. It's that simple. Once you have your articles, the next step is to organize this content into categories that make sense for your IT needs. Consider the different areas your IT support covers and organize accordingly. For instance, you could categorize the articles into networking, hardware, software, security, and accounts. This organization will not only help in easy retrieval of information, but also in ensuring comprehensive coverage of all IT areas. With categories in place, we can enhance our knowledge base by generating troubleshooting guides. For instance, you could request a troubleshooting guide tailored for Windows users who are struggling to connect to a printer, which should include possible causes and suggest solutions. This level of specificity ensures that when similar issues arise, you'll have a ready-to-go guide that can save time and reduce frustration for your users. After generating the articles and guides, it's crucial to format them correctly before adding them to your knowledge base. Consider reformatting each article to fit a clear IT knowledge base style. This means organizing the content into sections such as issue, cause, solution, and notes. This format makes the information easier to digest and more actionable for anyone referencing the article later. Finally, once you're satisfied with the content and formatting, it's time to export or copy this information into your IT knowledge base platform. Whether you use a tool like Confluence, Notion, or SharePoint, ensure you copy ChatGPT's generated articles and paste them into your system. By doing this, you'll have a well-organized and easily accessible repository of IT knowledge that can be referenced by your team whenever necessary. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create comprehensive and well-organized IT knowledge-based articles using ChatGPT. This approach not only saves time, but also ensures your IT documentation is detailed, organized, and ready for any troubleshooting scenarios. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.